for almost 2 years now.
Wow. Okay. So Faith, twira gukura kwaku na kuthoma kwaku kurite ate na uthomete ate na igita rira mtu ethero akithoma kuri o kinya ukanjiri kuwa uni ndakura ndirenda kwa fulani ndakura ndenda kwa news anchor ya Njeri Ochupe ndakura ndirenda kwa daktari ndakura ndirenda kwa engineer owe igita rira uthoma uri mwana wa kurorenda kwambi.
Actually ndi mwana ngurerete Timau ndathomera Our Lady of Visitation then ndathomera Winners Academy ndauma ndeta Matiri Girls. So all along my dream ekwari kwa nurse daktari something in the medic profession. Ni ndenda muno alafu ngikora baba kwa mbira ndari ankoro area simple empathetic heart. And that was my dream. And after kudhiria form 4 ndeterenda thithia diploma in ICT Meru Polytechnic. After that I felt bado ntanganirwa. So one day tu nda scrolla thimone kwa nda watch interview fulani ndaithera mwareta wa Anne Mwangangi. She's a known mortician worldwide. So ndathikaira story we and I felt something inside me. Ndaigwa I can do this. Igentondomba uthithia. So I did ndathithiri research ekwa ndateka skuru alafu ndetanda aria muchiari. Au ne ndambire karugendo gwa Nandi.
Wow. Wina course ya ICT. ICT course ya imwira sidairwa sirea sana asin antu gaira kinya china ngwiti haraka sana. Then what changed your mind na wina course ikiumba gugutetherio kona ngugi irokwenda kuona maybe na kethe ikongera kithomo.
Andonere ria twathiririe we were so many twaingei and then ICT ni ambirite kugia antu baba ingi muno. So ndakarire ndaona which other course ndomba kongera ke course ekwa at least nkethera ndina course choijire mwe areka nkathithia ingi. So that's when ndaonere about mortuary science. Idondambire kuthithia research na ndaibanga ndaria muchiari
naona Mwangangi akwa motivation. Lakini kwa ikuru ndebo wara kabere ndebo wa muchiari oku kana kinyerero kurite muchiari oku ibaizi utithero wina nkoro enjumu sana. No ntu baba ya daktari yoroku anenda kwa daktari ni antu twisi ni antu bena nkoro enjumu antu bate ustuka nyabona mtu aringangi nyabona mtu atemangi wa tu ustuka uko na rongumu ugotari na nkoro enjumu torokuga then na ukuona mantu jaja motivation somewhere. Nwambire kukaranthi maybe uthugani wona na ndi na nkoro ekona nti umairinto bibingi ikazi nkamiumba atia.
Mbere burinda ria change of mind na ndere ndathithagia research ekwa ndona mantu ja mortuary science ja entaila mbinambi irio ndeterenda go through kweka kaukunda thoma na the former morticians those yani bare yao kuma tene na ndachira nkomba nguge kweli ni ndachurire mbere then ndairitsanira ndetanda thithia volunteering ke mortuary fulani ya Meru ndeterenda volunteer for 3 months and the ibambetekirie na nderio from the first day ndaiagwa arintio mpapu too much do the first day ndetherenda mwirejwa atei murone for 2 weeks so it was a bit ndetanda thugania kairi ndona I can do it. Ndachoka kairi munkari ndathiririe 3 months volunteering bambira na ndio ugo wesawa iro na ndetere chukuru ndathithia certificate in mortuary science.
Wow, na ndio guchoka ukuigwa wa inspired kwithiro kiambiriria kana kita course ukuita muti na ukarande na aciari baku kuberesera uni ndadi mam nkuigwa kuthithia 1 2 3 na how did they take it?
Mbere buru etari raisi nonto anto bena mentality area mortuary taking to kekeka it's something demonic. How can you do something like that? So etari easy ende nderezere mami okwa no enderere mbere ndamwira mama ninkuigware kuthithia mortuary science ndamwereza teka mwareo she's one of the pioneers ndamwereza at first it was a bit etari simple muno it took some time for her to accept then there nya sister okwa then there's and I informed my dad so my dad are na arigere muno nonto aije only that weak child when I was growing up na ndi arigako how yani we actually 3 in our family and among my sister na brother okwa ionde nkoro area
Impothu.
Exactly.
Okay.
Nande he was so shocked. Nande ende mami na accepted it. Ndamonde nya classmates batwaragia about the new friends I had made and she was okay. Idondetere enroll Chiromo. Ndathithia certificate in mortuary science. Mwanka ndathiria.
Wow. Hey, Faith. So now ngũthithia course ĩyo ya mortuary. Wona ngũgĩ kwaja gũkaria atia? Ukuthoma na ukuthithia menya thaa tukona kiri mathomo ja maingi yarante bakuthithia courses mwanya mwanya no kona mtu akithithia course na akarinya mwaka kanele kana inya thatu atona ngugi ikwaso na kuruta ngui wa irokona so izie ukuthoma ukuthithia then what next?
So ndathomera ndathiria course ndagia certificate kwa mortuary science indambiri ochwango gina kuthithia applications different places ende ntona results haraka na ndire ndathukana rena ugano so indithitie mortuary science ntikara nyumba kaire na course inge number 2 it's another course ndetere nda volunteer ndauga volunteer to keep myself busy ire ndetere nda volunteer na ndambia kuona gantu ndare amero tu still ke mortuary nda volunteer te kaire na ndibambitikirie kaire ndambia uthithia ngugi alafu ngona gantu tu appreciation kidogo then indejere lose a friend. May so rest in peace at our MC Jack Catalisto are neighbor kwa so twetere omuthika kwao alafu are Cool Breeze so ntuko mathiko irondonere ala kumbe kwena mortuary nge smart it was my first time there so twetere twathithia kila kitu alafu nkiumanda ugatia mbete nkaria manager ndetanda mwira unipeta fei indithitie mortuary science and currently inko volunteer anto fulani ndamwira ndina interest ya ku work nyakithari iko volunteer iri ambirire eja mande na application chiaku na ndi mande later on ndetere nda apply ngogi na ndambia
wow ngugiti ya kwa mortician either can tell been on to kira tuisi batwe na home tuisi yake mtu apasi agwikwa mochari akare au tukwewe bangiro kethari tukwe mathiko mtu ejirwe ete akathikwe apart from au menyata katuizi mno what happens so ngogije thero ina can tell mbiongo
okay kengoge mortuary science ina into bibi give nenei nande ito ritani ku handle mele ku handle anto grief counseling psychology nande it's a whole unit under one name mortuary science so to thoroughly trained in every section
wow ikitarira muntu a Pacific na areto kiri mortuary tuwende ya Cool Breeze arokurita ngwithai imbio yongwe take place muntu akukwa akuretwa na ngari mortuary then from there akonenkanirwa njarene chienu what happens?
So in case of mtu akwete aretwa gwetu Cool Breeze we obvious and relatives kwe scenario tofauti kwe bareta wa relatives na bange police so in a scenario of relatives tunawakaribisha tukambia registration process tuamenya details cha mtu ni kari alafu umete na cause of death imbi na ndetu athiria kwa the registration office ine twabeleza kwe process tuthiagia yetawa embalming twabeleza uria tukathithia mwirijo ikienda jwethero in good condition twabeleza process yonde then na theke mortuary baka receive mwiri bakathithia dressing bathithia dressing jukekirwa ketroli akunikirwa a clean piece of sheet akunikirwa the family ibapati ku confirm nwetu areta ku avoid confusion ba confirm kethara imukuru na noyo twabereza nande tukujukia mukuru twamuthithiria na tukamweka bobweka mwanka bakeja kumuthika
Ukofeni wa very young itarara tene kinyoki ya gweta kuntoku ya gweta ati manto bakuru akuru sana akuru tona ngekuru ntirongwa kana ntiari orongo weta ati marume sana na ni arume bakuru why you are so young nende kinya we karaifu gaku nende kakinya gatigati na ngugi jo kurita. Do you think ina affect in any way in your life?
Okay, antuma baingi by them amburagia the same question, but only nte affected. For one, I'm trained. Only training how to handle situations chionde. Na kodidi nya counseling na nya counseling yetu ta mortuary attendants ito return kila kitu. Alafu another thing it igento kendene kwa ipassion kwa na ndio nibiga konde ndi sawa ndibiga konde sawa buru. I'm happy when I do it and I feel I'm okay.
Endera waretera muntu re kana maybe ya tu egitara wambiririe na gukua mbere no mbere wetera volunteer kenda wona kethera nkoro
ikomba
thai kinyo kaigwa muntu pass tuwe kinya ne relative a friend kana kinya muntori kana anybody we kana nyoretera mwiri naro uitango ke kulbrit. Do you feel anything ko bui kagwa menya ya batu thai nkaigwa mtongania ukwa kitu kama no stoka na kwambia nande kuthugani gai nate. What do you feel anything?
Okay, it with there are feelings I can feel it. For example, re family za iluzete mtu bena kirero mono iba orira they are so confused ito fila in some scenarios mtu nande nyata mwana it affects everyone. Ito fila lakini you don't show your emotions to the family. You have to be strong for them. You babo batiki whether are strong kobonia it's well despite everything. In fila lakini I can handle the situation. I'm able to handle the situation. Nkabadhiria counseling alafu toka kwa the process wengi.
So unaenda kumaanisha kinya gitarira mtu family leta mtu ore kemochari. How do you handle the family? Non transfer of course when emotions ibachanganyiki hawajui what to do na tapo bando.
So in such a scenario nonto family bairira mono and in that moment anto boga there's nothing you can tell them bomba kuigwa bwega. So rebeja you give them time first of all baka release emotions angayo bitterness uyonde shock nonto bangi bago watenya shock. After releasing we have counselors at Cool Breeze tuna counselors but they tie specialization in grief counseling. So na tunenya pastor na chaplain. So itujoke kanya tuabereza bakathithirwa counseling ete wipe away the pain lakini ikabatedia ko ease the pain. After counseling nande tukabereza process yonde baketa kwanja nandi.
Okay, thank you so much. Kirira mtu areto mwiri nguchokio haraka ire babu ndai Cool Breeze no tweretere pengine natabudithagia ku keep this body ithirweri sawa mwanka pengine rira antu barabakana na aranja baibange kuiza kufika mtu
na ndipo mbere buru itodithagia process etawa embalming. Embalming i process ya gwikira fluids kimwire juu ikathithia treatment disinfection na ndi mwire juu nyajo gekirwa kwi fridge bado in good condition. Nyakethero hii case ya accident case ya kwajwa mbugare ambajwa hii bado akethero in a good condition. Ntuko chia narua gote mantuja mwire kununka ari jathirire
ajoke ya jugu ko yone kanita muronere na tukarite for long nara na jukethero juthu kangi jukinya jukinya kibabu ya jugu kinya ju. What do you do?
So in such a scenario itogeragia kuthithia treatment nya scenario cha cancer cancer accidents mtu mbugana temi uthio itogeragia kuthithia kuchokaniria mtu ito training so tuachokaniria bwega and then you can do a little touch up makeup akara presentable tuko ikuma.
So you want to mean muntu mbere eta kuthikwa kinyona vitharu makeup
itotithagia makeup a simple touch up ke uthio agakara presentable muntu alive mbugare mtu ari smart na ka makeup tebonde lakini ende akwete na mtu na chenchagia mbere nonto boy embalming na ukarenya fridge kethera wareo mutune no ira ukadaken na kuthiria trauma ira ke family baku na relatives bakona mbuga wareo mutune alafu bona wirui iba makaa muno shock eu na ndi itugeragia kuthithia akare uria akari alive na ndi tuthagia touch up tukona mbicha cia beti ya tene uria akari tuna compare tuthithia kuthithia u mwanka bangi bakauga anakaa kama ako amelala tu
na kumvalisha
inya dressing tuthithagia both female and male tuthithagia chionde
so ni babu thithagia buku kana family members
ibatu tuthithagia dressing not unless different scenarios some other cultures ibenda kwithira beau bakidressa niga kwantu bare bauga ninafataje hiyo gani tugeta Samburu kupenda mto wa mame on the left so ibabo ni wao wanafaa wafanye alafu bamuuna nya kuguru cultures chao so we give them that opportunity
so igitarira kuri antu bethara bena time ya maybe ku view mwiri nonto tiba baingi bethara bena chance we ku view mwiri the moment mwiri jumire kiri mochari yurita direct maybe kuthikwa tiba baingi bethara bena time yo ya kuira antu joni ku view mwiri and all that kuri na antu be ya kwa tuka kuina that chance ku viewira mwiri mochari before bajukia mwiri ju betana ju
so in ke Cool Breeze yetu tuina a different program na ndere bwejogira mwiri jwa mtu wenu twathiria kuthithia clearance itweta twathithia confirmation confirmation iu confirm kithera nowe kithera nguo imbijeri achio ichiawe na chiesa oria nkwenda ekirwe kulingana na mtu tofauti after confirmation itwetherwa chapels twina chapels at Cool Breeze aria tuthithagia viewing ya antu bonde nandi the relatives the friends bonde itwethera chapels ijiri chapel A na chapel B nandi antu batonya ndene bakaibanga transport manager tokaromba baka view alafu bageto muthika
oni kwenda kumenya emotions tia ni tithero ikaria menya sometimes kinyo kethera mtu twenu kinyo kama maybe utekumenya this person of course ya babu non twendi bodila na antu tofauti kuna ka emotions maybe umbaku polelio kana gutega ukaigua wewe ngo inyendera no kuthithiria antu ba maybe kuigua kuwa nkorone
nande for me cases iri imperfect amono ichi twana it's a bit overwhelming nande kana kanini no ana imalaika so it's a bit hard nande infila na nkaigwenya a bit of pain but ntiomba kuoniria family inyao ningo feel I have to be strong for that moment but oria oni personally ndithagia itwethorenya fellowships yetu au Cool Breeze twe motivations bana na ndi twetherwa time cia kuromba tuka encourage each other na nya tukathithenya counseling so we are able to cope with the situation
okay how do you feel kwa hiyo environment ule environment no nto kwina ndetre sometimes watrima muntu aria kwina mochari muntu no kira kurinya kinye bikure okira iya kura bikura no kira kunywa anything yani urigwa tu you uncomfortable yani wewe kuna hiyo spirit yenye unasikianga tu ni kama unashtuka uko na uoga uko tu hapo uona nde ane oritaira ngui ni orethetie ntuko yombe ya una nde natonyira ndagona kanyomba karankamenya ai hapa ndio wako hapa ndio naenda kufanya 1 2 3 how do you handle that
ari uninda menyerie and I feel comfortable alafu gintu kingi anto be mentality ingi mochari gukara kina igonto kwa roko but I beg to differ ateka ta Cool Breeze we are a bit different for number 1 cleanliness igintokea mbere na au alafu itoiba tumejipanga vizuri nande oni feel ande comfortable buru I feel okay ni kama wewe vile uko hapa nande we sawa we comfortable na nimbika kwa ndi sawa buru
kwira wethera wina shift cio tuko
mbethera nya shift cio tuko kwi kiumia giakwa na kiumia kia partner onge na ndi my colleague
tuko na muthenya does it sound the same
it's actually the same achore bako bambira wena mutuko batio kaira but it has never happened
menya kuna beliefs irantu bauga kwithira kwina ma spirits kwithira kwina demons kukero nya kwira bokira rimwe na uko hapo na tuwe for example no withdraw nyawe wewe in that room don't you fear kana ugukwirwo maybe no okire kana demons you kana spirits you maybe hakuna kitu kama hiyo ume experience?
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo na nita experience kitu takio. Kwanza utuko it's very peaceful. Igo kiri not unless maybe to receive kana to the transfer utuko it's actually very peaceful. Alafu kitu kingine there is no relationship between the living and the dead. Buru utekio buru.
Spirit itanga.
Ntono ntaigua.
Okay. Kirengo ya kwe gitaru wa meitare. Ni nini may happen ikakushtua like no treskuru no rathoma or thithia volunteering then kazi but maybe kuna kitu may happen kana kwa mtu ona akuite kana nyamu kuire jwa kana anything usikie sasa hiyo hata kama nimezoea hii maneno nimeshtuka ama umesikia tofauti.
Umesikia tofauti. Ndomba kuga kwe premature death na kwe cases de natural death kwethera kwina natural death mbuga mtu najetwe na mami chibitare kwe accident ende kwe scenario wona mtu very young mtu very promising na area future bright for example kona muthaka na thomete boega ena ngogi njega then all of a sudden he's gone. Kana kona ta scenario ngetwari niyo a very i muthaka uthomera kwa surgeon and then tigeria miaka iri yake athirie so the family was yare promising the family bare hope noe alafu all of a sudden he's gone and then we kagwa imagine after all that sweat all that effort
hata
nyata enjoy matunda jawe so you no feel buru it's too bad.
What about dreams? Do you dream at night? Ndiroma minyo kwa kure. Do you dream? No to otarango kwira kabere. To ni ndirona mtu ni akuite. Mpaka saa hizi lala vile huyo mtu alikuwa amelala. Nikilala hivyo namuonanga. Ande muona yani. Ngona ya webru like no. Owa no delete so many people. Na mimi tofauti mikuira tofauti. Kwiro maybe urota kinyo tuko wena kinyo kiona antu japao
ari buru ntarota buru alafu nokona mereo yonde ni mehando ntekaira kiongo atinga kara image ya mtu ari ndathiria ni u unapumzika tu kwa amani ukahandle the next client ni u uteka gwikaira kiongo atinkarika na client oria
Are you married?
No.
You're not.
No.
So what are your plans? Like menya sisemi kazi yako ni mbaya lakini kuna ile uita like tuwe utemania muthagana ndi anzi numbiro teori meketha nuguri angikuria mukoro ku na ta andu station lakini no tuteguri na ndi una ile una ugeta utrimana nyamu chore ku mimi naitwa Fei 1 2 3 na mimi naitwa 1 2 3 what do you do Fei I do this no I do that and all that umewaipatana na mtu maybe hata kama hujaolewa no withdraw nyotrimanite na mtu pokendana meantu bienda na inya bakamenana mantonto aja uratrimanana na mtu pengine ni kijana umempenda ama na yeye amekupenda lakini the moment umwira mimi nguira urita unaona ika setback or something imoi happen
igintu ki happenete I was in a very promising relationship but renda mbere mantoja mochari au kire atiomboka mtu au thithia ngogi ke mochari but this is my career this is something I love doing so I could not compromise then itochemana ginya mtu tukaria mbera beta fulani ngamero ni beta Fei unde motishan ntitha uli ntiomboka rongo yao bange badithagia bakaga unde nas na unde motishan akaga mochari ai now you mwari ari
yeah I mean it's not usual especially ke ladies non tanto expect sana ke feel day kujua ni wanaume by ke feel you
so anto bafila it's a bit weird Ogwe tamware we ke mochari. Alafu bathoganagia igintu ki in the male field. No kona? Alafu gintu ta kiathita go yantu banyunya. Bathi twera mono.
Bangi.
Uko sure tumiangi bangi nkamwira hapana.
Hata sasa mimi nafikirianga hivyo labda wenye wanafanyanga wanakunywa hizo mabangi ndio at least bakipu nini una courage.
Hiyo ilikuwa in the former uria kwari tene, but the world is evolving na tuko in the 21st century. Hii ni kitu unaenda shule wathomera uria wathithiria journalism iketa nkathomera, so I don't have to use drugs. Nyanke thithia ngogekwa I'm very normal. So I'm very normal.
Na yo tena fear ya that maybe kinya mtu ranko mba kuwatana no next kana ndra wenu ja maybe kuwa kinya we nyewe hapa hapana. Unajua especially for ladies mtu akauga guy sasa ete mwango wake na no mire nkoro uri if anything happens to me.
Neuga nyambo na ke comments bakiuga uri mtu anaweza kuwa na kumaliza
na kuzike.
It's not sia hivyo. We have feelings too ingogekwa toro ogutithagia ngogeku. It's just my work. Onda mbakwira antu I mentality beneo, but onda ugire ule atani accept onde sawa, but I'm good. This is what I love. I'm passionate about it. Ntiomba utiga ngogekwa ntopa ginto kingi. The right person will just come.
So mwenye kupenda kupenda
anipende nikiwa hivyo.
Wow. Hey, that's good. Kuna challenges of course utingo gite challenges. Kuna challenges irantu betherwa bagikurukira in life na kinyake nguyu na arantu mtu enda tangu gitiawe. Kirengo gije yenu ri I challenges ire kucitherwa igitio na nyimuno.
Number one unda kwi relationship wise neither ya bit hard ki antu ku accept we in the field of mortuary into kinge de antu baithara baretete a family a relative uria pasite iba kuragia biuria bibingi. Mbona hata amka niambie tu niangalilie muamshe usimweke kwa fridge mweke mali kuna joto na nde ntije bathoganagia there's something we could do before to na no feel okay if I was to do something ngegeria but it's not in my power. No kona imanto ya nature na nde ibethorwa biuria bingi muno bakuria. So it's a bit hard pia kwa sisi to feel but sadly there's nothing we can do.
Wow. Hey God. Mimi sijui akili yangu iko wapi saa hii. Sijui akili yangu iko wapi saa hii. I guess nikienda kuja na kwenu maybe kuona tu
kuona
na maybe kuthiria ugwa kana be allowed.
You are allowed actually. No way to uthithia ka orientation ukaona process chonde chiao and with time ukomba kugain courage you onimbuga mono encourage antu baga ya kuthithia ngugeu yonthe but when you have courage imagine you can do it. You can do it.
I'm still thinking. I'm still thinking.
Ikafia kende ene na mentality. No kora. But once ukonka you chonde we sawa.
Okay. Ekitarira witherwa mtu tuwe for example tuko ya kuthika mtu igukinya. Sometimes unaona antu bagita mortuary ukaigwa mtu akiwa uito atirwe mwiri sijui tubiambiwa nini sijui process gani kakwithera kwina process ira mtu babatere kuthingatira pengine bitaba kizira mwiri jwao kana bila mulileta tu mukakuwa admitted no bubu batere tukuiza ntukubu kaninkirwa mwiri jwenu
ari kwetherwa process bweja ugira mwiri jwenu yo bati kwetherwa burial permit ibona nkairwa burial permit ke chibitare kana ke chief ibati kwetherwa burial permit then uria wandikita next of kin o mtu uwo kwite na bati kweja ID we nonto nandeta cool breeze tukauga tukonenkera mwiri jo ke cheupe hijo hakuna ndejo njare ne chiaku so ikwethera process ya burial permit na ID yake na go clear bill ya cool breeze of course
na rewe ibajware like mwiri jukurira mochari turetere twaga mtu wetu kana maybe imebadilishana ugwita bukuthika mtu tuwe sijui mukwambiri na ndi process na ndi gwita kuthingatira ringi mtu athikirwanga sijui wapi gwita bukathikura mwiri buchokie bujukijwenu what happens.
Okay, kwethera story you mbigite nyaoni but uria ndomba kuga ke Cool Breeze twina system ina flow vizuri. Nonto for once oreta mtoku no mwanka tuthithie confirmation uge oi mto wetu na tumutika Cool Breeze na nyen tukwe kumujukia burial day no mwanka uthithie identification wa identify noe kana tewe alafu wasaina kwa mto wetu na tuisawa na ngutosheka na ndi tuina process ina flow to avoid such confusions. Ende chieku chiapena
babu nande imbi bobithagia ri ra mtomba kuga pengine I prefer Cool Breeze than this other hospital. Nonto kwina mogeta wigwo miri iteki bwega batena membi kethri fridge gwika antu mantu jama ingize zau kuringana na ora aguri titengo Cool Breeze na kongi membi na ro ritango kana wigitwe. What's the difference?
Difference ya Cool Breeze na other places. Cool Breeze mbere burure ni yaki, it's a huge infrastructure, ni yaki nene. Alafu tuina capacity ya kuhold antu baba ingi. Te tachipitari ingi kana morgue whether antu ba ikinde are we handle the dead with respect. In as much as iba kwete you give them the last respect. So tuina capacity nene ya kuhandle mireu na nyoka ukeza utega no one na ndi omwire ki fridge yewe hakuna kuteka antu baide anga batano. We don't do that. Heshima chia mwisho.
Kwa clip ndonete somewhere mortician kama wewe agita akinya ki kanini ka mtu ananok. What does that mean?
Okay, imbona bakithithio but
no menya na ndiro kona mtu akithithio you wonder because utira kero karibu not mtu gamwariria but what's the reason?
Okay, ndomba kuga ika notion ke mortuary science students bakajokagia kama njia kumpea tu heshima. Noko unaweza mtu wa knock mbele hukuma na ndio wa knock tu. Yani injira heshima. But it's not something at requirement it's something just respect, kuonia respect.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much. So ni respect iriko babu bwa ya antu ba bukuretera mtu na ndi babu mo hostete. You are the host now.
You're the host.
Ni babu mo hostete for most maybe 1 week, 2 or weeks. Some few days. Na tukwira kinya yewe maybe gwita kunokwa I respect iriko maybe kuna anything that is maybe it's done maybe kupe last respect izo wa kire mtura kana ndomba kuga oteganya ki page yetu tuga Cool Breeze funeral home for the services you can always trust. Nande services chetu I services ogowona it's something worthy. Bere burutu wa receive mwire tweka mwire jo in good condition. Tia tintukwire okeza kaire okethera na giti na alama ariburu akethera in good condition. Then kethera dressing tukadress oria family kwenda bauga ikira ukathithio. Then kethera kithanduku itwethera nyama thanduku Cool Breeze. Tukasema mtu akueje yawe.
We are all services in one. Kuma ngari, kuma maua kila kitu. Tukathithio oria customer kwenda. And netethagia nyaki customer ona oria tugenkwere ntithiria kinana mbithere umefanya the same thing imbiga kwanganiri no kona and tuthithagia to make sure customer wetu na kufeel enyewe Cool Breeze unenkira service njega.
Kuna mtu wa atiri mtu akakua to for example mtu akwira arungami asin amesimama mtora of course kama amekufa utumbo mukonja njara tora uringo kunjatia kwa thai kana etheri kuru mukonja kuru kwawe muntu yontu kuna ntubaga kaunanga kwa mauru kendaganira kithandu kune kana njara kana does it happen?
Okay, ikwethera story yu lakini utandomba kuuga kithera mtu na rei no kona na kithera na konjete njara tukithithia body receiving itwethera na embalming room. Embalming room twekera mwire methene iza kakario kametha twamwikira in the right posture no kona akara in the right posture amani kithera na konjete njara wamikira bobwega kithera kiongo
no drade Mutana kure menya. Utezo muromia njaro gethana ukonze to miromia kana or something.
Na ndikwe process etawa rigomotis rema sochia mwiri kwenda ku
kwekora ori batere.
Ori batere. Na ndi during that moment rea kwete tu like few hours ito inawezekana nukoona wamekunja bwega then ugekira ndawa no una making sure parts chionde chi sawa na ndi hapo ndio unawezanga kumwekera bwega kumu Facebook bwega kithira ategete ugekira kiongo bwega akara in the right posture.
Wow.
Kithira tuge scenario maguru kithira narei itutithagia measurements earlier on tikweja kithando kwa alafu kuonana ituthagia measurements tukira family mtu wenure akario nao na ndichwa kithando kugikari kineneie kuba 6 feet.
Me I thought mathando kuzondo jatharo ya nini emo
they are a bit different mathando ku tofauti kweja ntoba nini oarei anoruburu so they are a bit different.
Sasa different. Leo nimeelewa hiyo.
Zinakwenda tofauti.
Mimi naona kizunguzungu.
Zinakwenda tofauti. Itaona weta ndukene kuna nguo unaweza nunua mwingine haezi vaa. So lazima zikuwe tofauti.
So I guess ndio ni yeu nije umere kuganto ibari baunanga wa maguru maybe kienda banganira kithando ko nonto I guess hata mimi sikuwa najua by the way ndaga mtu nonto kuibara jare then mtu natia akanganira the same
coffin
yes nonto ndogana yes idaro same measurement no imo akibatere kudwa kisa isimu
mwe adi mathando ko tofauti na measurements tofauti kulingana na client uri akari.
Okay. Ke friends baku re ifi. Do you have friends?
I have friends.
You have friends? Babo anga bo
mono
na batukira abo.
Kwa baba nkira, kwa baba achencherie. Nenda mbiri ngoge boga. Wewe unajua unataka kutafuta customer na sisi. Basi
unajua tunatamanga mtu ya ugwe. Kinya mwangangi mwenye unasema naona kirona ndi kinya twetanetia ugwe. Ugwe witokue stock weko. Kwa stock kwa ruju kana
ari ntiomba kugo untu death is something natural tutiomba kweta tokioraga antu ari it happens naturally na ntu kwe kinya no mwanka na kwa kinya no mwanka so it's nature it's nature
so nanta friends baku how do they take it like when you are hanging out na kinya pata kwa meet other friends now na ndira mtu akiombe tawache upe nafanya 1 2 3 nitawa kawira nafanya 1 2 3 na feina yeye ndio huyo hapo
oniki close sako ekwa iba accepted close sako ekwa but we have other different people for example kwa bange bamberete nontona ndenko dide mochari science ngatengo i society nonto mochari are padiuka hii demonic something not worth doing so imepitia hizo but ndaugere no ntai passion ekwa na hiyo ntompendete I will do it alafu imbiga konganeri renda thitheria client okwa ore abati ngaiwa ndi sawa
wow kuna by the way society maybe unajua ki family limwe bethara bena that weak point ya mtu na maybe kinya kithera baba ku mami ku bakinyere point imwe accepting we kuiro kurita and they are cool but kuna society yori kikuwa irere around you we kuna ma neighbors kuna antu bangi bonde apart from kinya your friends abo kuiro wethero kinya witite njirene kana utemani na antu wibo bakimiki funny comments about you we kana bakithwa nontu kongo kuiro kuita kana maybe kinya bo accepted
are there some people bado bena mentality endhoku so kwero mbeta inyakiatho mali bakauga mware wathithagia kie mochari alafu bangi wa yakara sarcastically yani mochari kogere ngoge kongi but uninda amenyere go take those comments bangi bambira ke society utakuwa accepted no kona comments ta you kana ndeta mathiko bakona like I'm happy it's happening
ya kore harusi nikama kwa harusi tu
but itofauti no I'm still human ingoge tu ni kazi tu that's the difference
wow
but I'm happy no nturia tugweta tukikura antu ibagweta baki accepta Like right now nokona aritwa baba inge bothithia mortuary iba ku venture into the mortuary world. So it's okay nonto ikos nokona.
So kire antu baba ange umba kuthiro kibera ata nonto tukibrekeria nonto still to uwe society bado hata kama maybe kwa baba accept it lakini kuna a bigger number ila bado iko ina kachumbo kauka nimbi tetikiri mono kwa rikanguire u ndike mono kwa cukuru athomera nguite na kinya achore yabagu kwa kwi board lucire already na taumba kuthiro kibera nonto kana na tatumba kuthithia kinya maybe ya society ku make sure antu iba kuelewa hii ni kazi kama ile kazi nyingine. Yes, not kintu kile au tofauti.
Mbere buru anto bena calling tofauti. Kwa hiyo wenda kwa daktari ongei driver na take calling tofauti. Re ona mono ku ena passion undenewe wa mu kabira. Just support them, let them do what they feel is okay. Na ingogeta ingi, it's not something bad. Ingoge na heshima na ingoge njega. And people are running good money out here.
So there's good payment. So nikuje. Nikuje uko pia.
Ukiweza it's okay.
Shida labda mimi unifanyie hiyo unasema ya counseling. Yes. Na ndito kile family ile wambire gitarira antu bareta mwiri jwao cool breeze withera boina antu bobaridia counselors maybe kwa your family ra. What about tukwira antu bejirite mwiri jwao nonto okay otrima ke family kwe bata accept mtoro na kwite until
bamona
tukwira bakejera mwiri juu betito muthika kana bakimuthika iro wona antu bakona yani reality na ndia bahi mama mtu ne atio na ameenda na story yake ni hivyo. So hiyo siku mimi ya kukujia mwili mnafanya nini na tapo wandu maybe the family.
So re family ereta mwili itokipa intouchable. Nukona kwe family na ana ba young kwe akuru be affected nande ibeja kwe bopeja uthithia viewing and during that viewing process ibage ina healing buru kuona na inya counseling baba ona bagete kienyewe mtu wetu na thithiti netere nande nya ntukwe mathiko anakuwa psychologically yani kiongo ikio mwira he is gone nande na kuomba kuhandle situation yore kari so we keep in touch na ituthikenya counseling a short counseling ntukeu twamo counsel twamwira kukariu nao and it's good you accept wacha rest in peace.
Kile twana re nini yo handling yetu ana na kinya process yitherwa iri mwana ya ntupane no
for twana ya bit tofauti nonto tiomba compare mwana na mtu munene so ikiongo kwira twina grief specialized counselor urio kuomba kuhando kithari mwana akahando mwana kithari mtu munene na kuomba kuhando so we do that hapo Cool Breeze na tuka make sure huyo mtu at least ako in good condition despite the loss na kuomba ukava ku move on. Na after burial kuboba keep in touch for counseling how to handle things, how to handle grief after he's gone.
That's good. So what your last advice maybe kire customers then na kire antu generally nonto tuende meatu customer anyway ni siku tu haijafika lakini sisi wote ni customers so na taomba kuthiro kia advice antu ukoni mantu yagi kuna ndi nonto antu baba ingi bara bakirete windo mo boni takangi ku imagine hiyo siku itafika no rakine oringi ndia ya moyo kawo we yakinya
isa
meye kinya temenya hiyo siku stajua but for now naomba mwingi isifike. So anteba ukana kire antu bonde ni general mbo bandu baisata.
Okay, ndomba kugatire gikuye ntoki happen naturally. Tutiomba menya ntuko kana either. So it's something natural. The best thing we can do is to live our life ogwirwe ukariangai juu siku ikifika tutiomba udhia anything. So live your life, penda Mungu. Maisha iendelee.
Wow. Thank you. Do you shake hands like kwa watu? Ukipatana? No, do you shake hands?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much Fei. Ni bwega sana nontu bwa kuija. Leo I guess tumelani mambo mingi na kinya uni ndio mbona ingutikina ndio bwa urankara huo. Ndiremo kubuthike mimi nitawatembelea.
Pole pole.
Na nitawatembelea. Nizunguke kidogo nijione.
Sawa.
Thank you so much. But tutakuisha the best na Murungu endelee kwa karinji wewe wako wete nontu si rahisi kuona mwana mwari by the way na mtu very young aina that courage na Murungu endelee kudharima burune nontu endo babetu by the way how do you say about them nontu ukona kuna mtu dirapasi watu kwa family nyamba tena shughuli na even if they are doing it because they are supposed to do it lakini si ati kuibio ba ukea muno about mtu nontu bari wa mtu etere we menya kwa family sida sina mantu zote maingi kile antu yonto abana wo ke andla antu yonto yaba ko pay their last respect kutuka bagwita boega na injira yeshima ugumba kwithiro kibera ate
kwe some scenarios mwithira inya family ingi don't care bareta nyangu chena roko kiratu kina roko ikithiri but utantu pena humanity itoithegenya cleaning wa muklinire nyangu wewe wa ngura kiratu and kithira itoithegenya shaving by the way kithira imwari tu agaka gel aka representable na nditugeragia kuthithia mwiri jojo kare something presentable despite the situation nonto table on the benambecha by the chiagura suti enjeru you just make sure he or she is clean na nakaribu wega
Okay, thank you so much Fei. Mwathani tunambira gukua inya weu na gutumenyerera antu betu bwega nonto hata kama wameenda they are still our people. Thank you so much.
Asante.
Haya, bwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na katho semwanya nonto bokuthroria mwana baturika na mubango tijungi mubango ni joru sietu na tukweru ari ntokani na mugeni tofauti kabisa ndene studio sietu ukuigwa Fei ngugira rita na ndienda withiro kilani kire mantu jori okimenya utinguge mtu no utinguge utumba kuruta kira kina maana ni withiro wina courage usi accept na wone ingwe oterengi by the way nonto kuringana na ora Fei ari antu kwa narua ingutikinya nikogia courage fulani ndira inogwa hoya ugwe lakini nikogia courage fulani na ingutikia kinya nikeria kuthiria courage na kwa hivyo wero kibara bena notion kwamba kuruta ngui mochari ngui ngugi kana antu bethero bakirite muno ugutibirwo Fei no muona mzima mwari murembo kabisa na no kuona ngugira ita na I'm very proud of it na kiukyo kenguire kinyankuru kina so I thank God for her na ibwega sana no tubonguire bakuita na mbere kutha bakirite. Thank you so much mwathani tena bakutha America na kimitandao katwata Meru TV Kenya utero Facebook na kinya utero YouTube Meru TV Digital na nda comment kana kuthrokeria gakinyo penyu nyoku namba ni 0748 918 901 tugagotigana kwenda mwathani kama kawaida tutakorimita Jerry Wacheupe.